Without wasting our time, the topic जो आज हमने रखा था to discuss upon is future scope and realities of management education. Reality, I don't know what happens, but myth about MBA is professors that immediately I do MBA and I become CEO. That's a myth, right? Yes, guys? Yes. But before I start, I would like to start from the question. I want student to ask a question.
Sir, I want to ask that if I have not selected any particular stream of specialization, then is that showing that I am not serious about my career or MBA, or I have not studied enough about the career?
This is a question which we people face very often, right? Which specialization should I go? Which specialization should I go, right? And the first year, first semester, first trimester में admission लेने जा रहे हैं, you put a lot of focus and emphasis on that. My advice to this question is that let's not be very deterministic about your specialization, because you really don't know what are the options available in the market. It's okay to opt for a specialization for as a fresher, but later maybe you will be shifting from one specialization to another specialization. Gone are the days when you were stick to one specialization and you used to build your career on that. Now industries are, demands multi-skilled people, and only one thing that you have to be sure of, that you should be open to learning. You should be open to reskill yourself.
So any stream, I mean the graduate with 50% marks in any stream can be, the taken care of. So, the students who is from the commerce background or who is from the business administration, the chances are there they must know about the specialization. But what about the other streams, like the science, or say the pharmaceuticals, or say the bachelor in the technology? So maybe they are not aware about the traditional as well as the modern specialization. So I totally agree what other professors said. Enjoy the first year, the first 2 semesters, because in these 2 semesters, the gist and the glimpse of about all general management subjects would be given to you. And when you would be promoted from first year to second year, then you have to choose the specialization of your choice where you better fit in and as per the demand of the market. And that was the right time when the people from the eminent speakers, eminent personalities from the corporates, they must be invited. They do come and they share their success and failure stories. They tell what is the pulse of the market, and according to that, this is the time when you should talk about the specialization. So it is absolutely, the okay if you don't know about MBA specialization at right point of time.
3 questions you need to ask on daily basis whenever you start, thinking about any course, and especially for management course. 1, that why you want to pursue management course. As Jiten ji said, बहुत पैसा चाहिए, बड़ी गाड़ी चाहिए. So here I quote one word. बड़ी गाड़ी को हम BMW और Mercedes से देखते हैं. So let's take BMW. BMW you'll have to break the mental walls. जैसा हम सोचते हैं वैसा होता नहीं है, दुनिया अलग है. So first we'll have to understand why I want to pursue management. Number 1. Number 2, where I want to see myself after 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line. Whatsoever you want to aspire, wherever you want to see. So always ask where. 3rd, what is required? What the skill set? Explore the opportunities, explore the skill that you have, and make a list that skill that you need to acquire. So first, whatever learning that you have, you'll have to unlearn and you'll have to relearn the things. So obviously, you can do it later as well.
So I have done BA, and I'm skeptical about it, that whether I'll be able to fit in that MBA curriculum or not, and what I need to do right now to make myself MBA ready in next 3-4 months. So that's my question.
There's a confusion होता है that I am from BA, BCom, or maybe dance, or maybe any specialization of your graduation, whether I fit for my MBA or not. That is what you are trying to ask. तो ये क्वेश्चन और ये सवाल हर स्टूडेंट के माइंड में रहता है. बीकॉम वाले को थोड़ा लगता है थोड़ा आसान हो जाएगा, मैं तो ज़्यादा पढ़ा लिखा हूँ, लेकिन जैसे ही वो वापस दूसरे फील्ड में आते हैं, स्टैटिस्टिक्स, उधर फंस जाते हैं. वो इंजीनियर को लगता है अच्छा वो मेरा बाकी एरिया है, लेकिन वो फिनांस वाले फंस जाते हैं.
साइंस एंड इकोनॉमिक्स में आपका केस लेके चलता हूँ, बाकी किसी ने फिजिक्स ऑनर्स किया है, किसी ने बीडीएस किया है, उन सब केसेस को हम उठाएंगे. और आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू दैट मैनेजमेंट इज काइंड ऑफ कोर्स व्हिच अकोमोडेट ऑल. इसमें इतना इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी है जैसे आपने हिस्ट्री पढ़ा है. सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द हिस्ट्री एंड जेनेसिस ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग. You need to understand history of particular product company, so you would be able to. Then economics, right? Economics happens to be the mother of all managerial subjects. You know that. So you belong to a discipline which happens to be the mother of all disciplines. What was the other subject? Political science, right? If you don't understand the political scenario, believe me, you can never be a manager or businessman, right? So आपके तीनों subject बहुत fit होते हैं management education.
All the students, can we have one good round of applause for you guys? आप आते हैं कि शायद ये भी हो पाती, right?